I don't like doing this stuff. Lisa has us out taking a hike. I don't like hikes. This is Kay's idea too. Chad.
Hey, listen.
Chad's idea too. I'd rather stay at home in the shade, not encounter animals and insects. Lorenzo, you having fun? So yeah, we're headed to the dam, but we're going the long way. Lisa has a few kids up ahead. They're having fun, so I guess that's what's more important, right?
Goose!
You see the goose?
No, that's a big one!
I don't think that's a goose, but if it's a goose to you, it's a goose to me, okay?
That's a big one!
Okay.
That's a big goose!
Just took a quick water break. We still have a long way to go.
It's not that long. Sure, baby.
It's long enough.
Here you go. Let me.
Who's tired?
All of us.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're nearly there. We just got probably about 10 more minutes left. Hopefully. Chad looks like he's about to pass out. Aiyana, are you over it already? Yes.
No!
I've been over it since we were in the car. We're nearly there, guys. Oh, I don't like doing this stuff. Miss Lorenzo?
Come here.
For what?
Is it a bug?
Oh,
No.
nope, not touching any bugs or rodents or deer. I'm not doing none of that. Just trying to make it back to the car alive. Alright guys. It's a quick update. We're now like in this valley type of situation. See all these rocks. What you're hearing is Nahlia crying because she's tired. Nahlie.
I've been carrying her for more than half of this thing, and she does not want to be. Look at. She does not want to.
That's sweat and tears.
Yes, that's tears. That's not anything serious.
Hurry!
Alana Bear.
Alana's been a trooper. She's been walking. I think she changed to. Yeah, she definitely changed some skin
I'm
tones.
almost about to be a.
Kaden, you say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Yeah, we're nearly there, guys. Not really having a blast as yet, but it is what it is. I think about all the animals that are looking at me and I can't see them right now, that are up in there.
I'm uncomfortable right now.
Why?
I don't like animals.
Alana?
Well,
Where does she think she's going?
I don't know.
Nearly there, guys. Nearly there. You done? Alright, so Lisa is up ahead. She's saying that we're here. Hopefully she's right, because I'm over this. All this nature, taking the hike stuff. Like, at least in the Virgin Islands, when we would take hikes, you could jump in the water after, you know? Just jump straight into the beach. Like when you would take a hike on Virgin Gorda to the Bats, just jump straight in the water. But no. So guys, this is the dam.
I think this is snake.
No way. Where you see a snake? Boy, that's a worm.
Oh, that was a snake.
So what are you guys doing for, what did you do by the time you see this for Father's Day? This was just one of our activities. Tomorrow we're probably gonna go fishing. I plan on throwing stuff on the grill as well. Have big plans for that actually. That should be pretty fun. Yeah. I wonder what everyone else is into. Let me know. Let me know. I'm ahead of the pack. We're at the top of the dam. I'm not going down those stairs though, because that means I have to go up those stairs. It's over 100 stairs. And carrying the babies and all of that, that's going to be way too much. Who caught up with me? Alonzo? Alright, we're headed back.
And I'm holding Caden's back.
You got the backpack?
Uh-huh.
Chad, did you learn today that we could just drive to the other side? We'll never walk this again, right?
Maybe not.
Next time,
We could have just driven
go here.
on the other side and walked down
When
some
you
stairs.
go here, you get really, really sweaty and hot.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Alana, come on.
And we're about to go.
We're about to go.
We're about to go home.
Okay.
And we're going on home.
Alana, let's go, babe.
I'll go on this here. I'll go on it.
Go. Go. So we're wrapping this up. This is day one of Father's Day weekend, where the fathers don't get to choose what we have to do. We're being forced into doing this. I don't get it. They need to put respect on Father's Day. Maybe next year we'll have a say, right?
Hit the streets.
Yeah. Next year's motorcycles on the streets, not walking in the wilderness where we can be subjected to wild animal attacks.